Pipe flange joints are one of the most common leak points in piping systems. To ensure safety and leak-free operation, always follow proper practices as per ASME B 16.5 standards. Let's start with the do's. First, select the correct gasket. Always choose a gasket suitable for the pressure, temperature, and service fluid. Second, inspect flange faces. Make sure the surface is clean, smooth, and free from scratches or damage. Third, always use new gaskets. Reusing old gaskets can lead to leakage and joint failure. Now, the don'ts. Do not reuse old gaskets. Once compressed, a gasket should never be used again. Do not force misaligned flanges. Proper alignment prevents bolt stress and leakage. And never mix flange standards like ANSI and DIN. Different standards have different dimensions and drilling patterns. Step 4. Lubricate the bolts. Always apply proper lubricant on bolt threads and nut faces. This reduces friction and ensures accurate torque. Step 5. Use a torque wrench. Tighten bolts using a calibrated torque wrench. Follow the recommended torque value for safe and uniform tightening. Step 6. Perform a pressure test. After installation, conduct a pressure test. This confirms the joint is leak-free and safe for operation. Step 7. Keep RTJ grooves clean. Clean the flange grooves properly before gasket installation. Dirt or debris can cause leakage. Avoid common flange installation mistakes that can lead to leakage and failure. Do not over-tighten bolts. Over-tightening can crush the gasket, damage bolt threads, overstress the flange, and cause uneven load distribution. Excess torque may actually reduce sealing performance instead of improving it. Do not tighten bolts in a circular sequence. Always follow a proper star or cross tightening pattern. Circular tightening creates uneven gasket compression, leading to misalignment and potential leaks. Never scratch the flange surface. Flange facing must remain smooth and undamaged. Scratches, dents, or tool marks can create leak paths and prevent proper gasket seating. And never use damaged gaskets. A gasket that is cracked, deformed, compressed, or previously used cannot provide reliable sealing. Always inspect and replace with a new gasket if there is any doubt. Proper installation practices prevent leaks, improve safety, and extend equipment life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more piping knowledge. See you in the next video.